Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna be making beef pho that only takes 30 minutes. If you want to learn how to make this dish, please keep on watching. So here are some of the fresh ingredients that you will need to season the broth. We're gonna need some carrots, some celery, onion, and ginger. I have some beef bouillon or Knorr. And then I also have some this is the pho packet for the spices that you'll need for the pho to season the broth. Right here it comes with a little pouch so you can put the spices in there. And so I'm just gonna show you in the back what it looks like, and this is the brand that I like to buy. So here are the ingredients that are in there, like the spices. There's star anise, cardamom, clove, cinnamon, licorice, and pepper, I believe. So yeah, and then the last thing you're gonna need is some salt, of course. But yes, this is what we're gonna use to season our broth. Once your pot is boiling like this, I'm gonna go ahead and throw in the ingredients. So I'm gonna throw in some carrots, some celery, ginger, onions, and the pouch that the pouch of spices. Here you go. Make sure you tie it tightly on the top. And lastly, I will be throwing in the Knorr. I'm gonna throw like 6 cubes in because this pho is gonna be delicious. So once your pot starts bubbling like that, it's ready for the beef bones. So I'm gonna go ahead and gently put in my beef bones in there. And I'm also gonna add some beef in there so it'll cook in the broth. The longer it cooks, the more tender that beef will get. So I already rinsed some bean sprouts. I have some basil wash. I chopped up some celery because I love how celery adds a crunch to the dish. I also have some lime and some fresh peppers because I love to eat that with my pho. And then I chopped up some cilantro and green onion, and I crushed some peanuts. So these other ingredients are the seasoning ingredients that you'll need to season your pho if you want to add your own little flavor to it. I have some black pepper. This is some pepper flakes, but if you have chili oil, you can add chili oil. We have some fried garlic right here, as well as some hoisin sauce, some sriracha fish sauce, and then some people, they like to add additional instant beef broth to it. And then I also sliced up thinly some beef that I cooked in the pot, and now this beef is super tender. But some people like their beef, you know, more, I guess, not as cooked. So I have some raw beef cut up as well. So that's just for those people who like that. So I'm gonna start putting my pho together. I have some noodles in the bowl, and then I'm gonna add some beef. And you're gonna add as much beef as you want. I'm not gonna make it too much because I'm also gonna add some meatballs to mine. And then I'm also gonna add some more of this. This is just already cooked beef slices right here. And then I'm gonna go over here and add some cilantro and green onion. Cilantro, green onion. And then I'm gonna add some bean sprouts. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and add the broth to my bowl. And you see how the broth is already softening the noodles and cooking the raw beef. If you don't want to add raw beef to it, you can just omit that, you know, but I actually like it because, you know, it adds like a very nice flavor to it because it's like fresh beef. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add some fried garlic. And you can add whatever you want in your pho. I'm gonna add some black pepper because I love black pepper. And for the extra crunch, I'm actually gonna add some celery. And I also love the way basil smells. Some people, they add like what is it, cilantro, additional cilantro, but I already sliced up some cilantro and green onion in my pho, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add some more basil to my dish, and it just adds a really nice aroma to it. Okay, so right here, and you know, if you guys know me, you know how much I love spice, so I'm gonna put some peppers in there, some fresh peppers, because why not? You can add some dry peppers or some chili oil too. I'm gonna go ahead and add some Hoisin sauce. And some Siracha. If you like it spicy, add as much as you want. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add some peanuts to there, because I like peanuts in my pho. You know, there's some people that don't like peanuts in their pho, but I do. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some peanuts. And then lastly, I'm gonna add some additional chili. Like I said, you can either put chili oil or you can put some chili flakes, whatever you like. So I'm gonna add some chili oil. And then squeeze some lime in there. So now it's taste test time. I'm gonna first taste the broth. Yum. You know how much I love spicy food. Look at how spicy that looks. Yum. Let me see. Ooh, it's so rich in the beef broth. You don't need anything else. Look at, and our noodles are cooked perfectly because we cooked it in the broth. Check that out. and I'm actually gonna add some beef to that. Yum. And some pepper. Yum. Okay, let me try that. So good. Oh, I can't stop eating this. This is so good. I hope you guys try this recipe. This pho broth is really easy to make. It only took me about 30 minutes for everything. But I hope you guys try out this recipe. If you do, please comment down below and let me know how you like this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a fabulous day and see you guys in the next video.